Hello, welcome back to my crafty corner. This is Sarah. Some more little Christmas albums because it is Christmas in July. And so we're going to go through these. And I'm going to put this one over here to the side. We're going to go through this one first. Now, this is using... Oh, what is the paper? Hey, let me get it right quick. Okay, so it took me a second to find where I had put it. So, this is Echo Park Silent Night. This is the 6x6, which I have not used it yet. So I can probably show you that. This is the one that I did use, which is the 12x12, and I added, of course, I really love the Kraft with these colors. I think it's really pretty, and I just chose some, I chose some pretty little, pretty colors, I think, to go with that really matched. So this is the cover sheet for the larger one. And of course you get all these stickers and the cut aparts and all of that, and they are super gorgeous. So really love this set. Now I took the pages and I separated them out. So like the ones that had more of this floral type deal on it, I put together like with the reds and the greens. And then in this one I did more of the blues and, well, some of the greens and the golds, but you'll see when we go through it. And I could do a quick flip through of this one right here. Now I may make cards out of this, I really don't know, or tags would be cute because you have these little bitty cut aparts. They would make cute little tags. Isn't that pretty? With this cute little scene there. It's like it tells the story, right? And I did something pretty cute in that. I might have torn some of these out already, or they might have come out. Some more of the little cut aparts. Some more there. Oh, guess I could show you the back of that without having the cute little baby Jesus and the Joseph and Mary and the livestock there. Oh, Holy Night. I really love that. So cute. The star paper, I really love that as well. And then, of course, it's going to repeat itself over again. So, that is what I used for both of these. And I still have papers left over. I didn't use all of them, so I still have those. And then that 6x6 I could do another album with as well, or cards, gift tags, and whatever. So, on the front of this one, I used one of the larger cut aparts. Oh come let us adore him, Christ is the Lord. I love that. It's really pretty. I love the florals on there. I matted it. This one has 4 mats. So Kraft base, blue, green, red, Kraft again. It's like a goldy color kind of Kraft, and then the actual card there. I used this star paper for that. I really liked that. I thought that was pretty. Okay, so on the inside here, I just used another one of those cards, put it on Kraft, just add make it a little flip out. I didn't magnetize or anything, and this is a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so it'll fit a 4x6 photo perfectly, and leave just a small border around. No, I didn't. I thought maybe I might have left it as a pocket, but I didn't. I went ahead and I glued it straight down. Used that Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus and livestock paper here on the front of this one. And this one's a very simple album. It doesn't have a whole lot of, it's mainly just flips and things like that. But what I did on these, I used that again. That big part, that big piece, like, so we had, where did it go? This one. So like this one, right? For the big 12x12, I cut those strips down and I placed them throughout the album, like as the story is told. So you have them going to Bethlehem to find room in the inn. And then we have the angels and the green. I really love those. It's a really cute little paper collection. Used that one again. Added some red because we've got some red in the little thing. I just stuck this in there. I haven't matted it or anything. And I think this was just like a leftover piece that I had. It's not even, it's almost 3 3/4 by 6 1/4. So even a 4x6 photo, you could leave it by 6 and just trim it down. And you could do one on the front and the back. You can journal here on the front. I do have stickers I could go through and add, but, you know, I didn't. I did on the other one. I don't know why I didn't on this one. I just left it kind of plain. And then this also has just a little fold out, and it is, I think, 4 1/4. It's actually 4 1/4 by 6 1/2. So you could have a nice little place for photos there. And that goes in, whoop, I did do that every time, okay. And like that. And then, of course, this flips over, and we have the beginning of that. There's that pretty star paper. And I didn't realize I had got like 3 in a row. Like, come on. It's the night sky. There we go. And then you open this up, and there is the little town of Bethlehem. Photos there or journal there, whichever. It'd be really pretty to have like, even have like the story. If that would be really cute. You could like type the story and just have like little photos, like say if your kid was in the nativity play at church or something like that. Oh, that would be so adorable. Oh, that's a cute little idea. I have some older pictures. I might have to do that. That would be really cute though, to add maybe like the story on there, and then add more pictures here. Then this one opens up the same, continues on telling that story. And then I went back with the angels and the green. And again, there is, excuse me, another one of those little inserts in there. Yeah, and this one has that Kraft color, and it folds out this way. And then, of course, there would be them in the manger. And then there's the back side of that with another one of those just loose tags. See, this is like, it's like Kraft, but it's like the chicken in it are the same color. So I kind of drew from what I had there. And then another of that night sky, which I used a lot of. And then the back is the same. I just used another one of those cards. And that's it for that one. Love that. So pretty. All right. And then for this one, I just made it smaller using the floral papers. And green and red and white is mainly the colors that are in here. And it is pretty much the same way as that one, although I didn't add anything here. But I did do, I might should have put pulls on those. The little cut apart, oh my goodness, I can't talk. Cut apart cards I used. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. That's so cute. And then just added, you can journal here or add a photo. And this one, that's why I thought that one had pockets, I guess, because I remember doing pockets on here. But the magic of Christmas is not in the presents, but in his presence. And then just white on the inside there. I have scrap pieces, so I could always go back through and add something there as well. Used the pretty, like with the wreaths and the stars and the, I love that, so pretty. And then I just did, I think I just had one of these laying on my table, and I'm like, that goes. So just stuck that there. It's one of those little stickers. I just backed it on that Kraft colored paper and put that there. And it matches with the angels and the green, I think. I think that gold and that green looks really good together. And then it opens, yeah, opens this way. Just a little sticker there on that side. Oh, holy night. Backed with that green and the, I did add red in here as well. Yeah, I have red on the front, but I add red because, you know, there's red in the little berries. And so I thought that added a little something extra. The green, just a little flip out. And then this flips over here, and we have just one of the cards, and, well, one of the cards and a little, I did like a little belly band. It's been a while since I've looked at this, so I'm having to refresh my own memory. Put that in there, and I don't know if that was, I think that was down in there as well, wasn't it? Yeah, something like that maybe. And just made like a little pocket thing that goes down in there like that. I could go back through and add some color to the tag, or either stamping or like what am I trying to think of, ribbon and things like that, or like a little eyelet. That would be really cute. That angel, oh holy night, just a little flip up so you can put a photo there. Continue this on with the angels on this side. More of that floral with the red. Another one of those little tags, just made that a little tuck spot. Then it opens this way. Another little belly band with some photo. Uh-oh, did I glue it in? I glued it in. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, I did. Look at that. Okay, it's good. We got it out. Another one of those little journaling cards. Let heaven and nature sing. That's so cute. Put that on the back there. This is a stamp that I got at Hobby Lobby, I do believe. Got it on sale. I really liked that. So, may the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him. Romans 15:13. And then this flips this way, and I just took another one of them little stickers so you can tuck a picture there. Another one of them little journaling cards made it a little flip here, the angels. And then there's the back side of that, because this matched this one right here. Same thing. And this one with the little card. And this flips up as well. And so there is these two cute little mini albums using the Silent Night paper collection from Echo Park. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Click that notification bell if you want to be notified when I do upload a video. And thank you for watching.